Hey guys, welcome back to S Motorsports. If you're new to the channel, I got my 85 Trans Am that we're working on. And today we got new seats. So I picked these up off of Facebook. They're in really good shape. As you can see, the whole set for 160 bucks out of a 97 Camaro that they were parting out. I thought 160 bucks was a pretty good deal. So I want to shoot the mounting brackets with some paint to clean it up a little bit. The only bad spot is this little rip right here, which I'm gonna sew up. Looks like it should go together pretty easy. But all in all, pretty good shape. The guy did already sell the headrest brackets, but I did end up picking those up off of eBay. So these should work. So these are actually convertible ones that have the slot, which I was gonna need if I wanted to use these with the 3rd gen seat belts. Otherwise, I don't believe you can get the seat belts through the way that the 3rd gen seat belts are. So that actually worked out pretty good because obviously the car that I got these seats out of were not convertible. So this will work good that it already has that slit in there. The convertible must have needed that. So, but yeah, let's get started and we'll get them cleaned up and I'll show you the process and see how they look at the end. All right, guys, first step is I'm just gonna get these all cleaned off. I'm gonna vacuum them and then hit them with some carpet or upholstery cleaner, so make them fresh. And I'm not sure, it doesn't smell like they had any smoke or anything on them, but they just need a good cleanup. So let's do that first. All right, so now I want to pop off these bolts that hold the track on right here as well. There's one up front. I'm gonna pop those off so I can get this track off and hit it with some paint. And really, I'm just looking to cover the mounts, the stuff you can see when you're looking in the car. But it'd be easier to hit it with paint once they're off. So I'm gonna take those off. All right, so next, while those parts are drying, we're gonna try and take out, I'm gonna try and take out the front seats first, just so I have more room to work in the back. The only issue that I'm hoping is not an issue is that this bolt in the front, that one is really rusty. The other ones aren't as bad. The passenger side is not as bad, but hopefully that comes off without a problem. We'll see. Might have to use the impact to jar it loose. success. Ooh, I'm rich. Nice. All right, so I got both front seats out now. These came out really nice. These weren't nearly as rusted. And I was getting ahead of myself, took that seat out, but it's just one bolt holding the seat in right below it. And it's a 13 millimeter. And then they just literally pop right out. For this rear back seat, it's one bolt right here. And this is a lot easier with the front seats out because I can literally sit in the car to get at these bolts, which makes it a little easier to get at. So let's see how this comes out. All right, guys, so got everything vacuumed up in the car, and now I'm just touching up some spots that need to be cleaned. What I normally use on carpet is this tough stuff. I've used this for a while, and you just spray it on and then scrub it off, and that works pretty good getting the carpet clean. But I think I'm gonna throw the rear seats in right away. There wasn't really any spots that needed to be touched up with this stuff. The front seats, I will probably hit a few areas that need to be cleaned up with the tough stuff, get it a little cleaner, but the rear seats were really clean, so we'll just go ahead and put those in. All right, so I got the seats all cleaned up. I cleaned up some of the spots that were on it. There really wasn't too many, so they're in really good shape. Got the tracks back on. As you can see, they look better now that they're painted black. Once they're in the car, you won't notice them, where before they're, you know, a little rusty, you notice that. So that'll look a lot better. But now let's get the seats installed and see how they look. All right, guys, so I got all the bolts tightened down for the seats. So I think it turned out really good. So I don't have the, I didn't put these on yet just because I want to get the right screws. I don't have any that are the right length. I was gonna look that up to see what size those should be so I don't bore that out or anything. But I think the seats turned out really good. You know, the back looks good. I like the front. It matches the center console really nice. So all in all, I'm happy with it. I think that was a good upgrade. Like I said, I'll have to come back and sew this. I think that'll be pretty minor though. You'll never notice that's there. But you know, painting the brackets down there I think was worthwhile too. You don't really see that. I gotta maybe see if I can get some of that rust color out of there, but I like it. All right, guys, that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. We got some future projects coming as well. If anybody can guess what this Flowmaster box is in the comments, I'll let them know. What do you win? Absolutely nothing, but I'll let you know if you're right. That's a future project coming. I got some other odds and ends that I'd like to do as well. But all in all, I'm happy with the seats. Hope that helps out anybody looking to do this. So these seats that, like I said again, are from a 97 Camaro, and they fit really good. And I like the look of them. The color match is pretty good, so I'm happy with how it turned out. But till next time, guys, thanks.